everyone, it's your girl Bellissima. Well, welcome back to Bellissima Kitchen. On today's kitchen, I'm preparing cassava snacks or cassava donut snack. Other people call it Bankye Kaklo or Agbeli Kaklo. So let's see the ingredients that we are using. I'm using cassava, coconut, chopped onions, red one, and then the white one we are going to grate it, salt to taste, and then oil for the frying. It's very simple, so let's start. So we are going to put our cassava, then grate it. Very simple, okay? Love it very much. You can try it. Very simple recipe snacks. So I'm going to wash it and then grate it. The inside. Wash it again. Put it aside. Do the same thing to the rest. Guys, I'm starting grating my cassava. We are almost done with the grating of the cassava. To use this net to squeeze my cassava. I want to squeeze all the water from it. Don't need the water. Squeeze everything. All the water from the cassava that we just heated it. Squeeze it very well. Drain all the water from it. Don't want any water from it. Finish squeezing the water from it. You see it? Very dry now. There's no water in it. I'm going to break everything. Let it be smooth. Guys, I'm grating my onion, half onion, I'm not going to grate everything. I finished grated my onion. I don't want too much of onion. Other than that, it will be very bitter. The onion too makes it very tastes good and give it a nice flavor too. I'm going to mix it together with the cassava. Add your salt to taste. Adding my chopped red onions to it. And mix it together. Give it a nice taste. You're almost done. I'm going to make it boil and then fry it. So I'm making my ball. Using it. The size depends on you. If you want it too big, squeeze more in your hands, then do it. See, there's no water in it. Very nice snack. It's good. Hot afternoon. So we have finished making our cassava snack. We are coming to fry it. We have to eat our oil. That's our cassava snack. It's ready for frying. My oil is okay for the frying. You don't need the oil to be too hot. Other than that, the inside will not cook. You leave it for 3 minutes, then you turn it. Guys, our coconut too is ready. So I'm going to cut it. Listen, it, I've already washed it. Cut it any size that you want. Okay. You need to turn it for the other side too to be brown. Cassava snack is ready to be served. Hello guys, our Bankye Kaklo is ready. Cassava snack is ready, eh? I told it's very simple. Just look at the inside. Very crunchy outside. Just look at the inside. Very delicious. Inside is very delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, share, and comment to this channel. I'll see you in our next recipe. See you!